Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to share your Roblox QR code. If you're looking to connect with friends or make new ones in your favorite game, sharing your QR code is a fantastic way to do it. So, let's get right into it. First, grab your Android device and locate the Roblox app. Go ahead and open it up. This is where your Roblox adventure begins. Next, look for your username right next to your profile picture. Tap on your username to access your profile settings. This is an important step because it leads you one step closer to sharing your QR code. Finally, you'll see a share icon. Give that a tap. This is where you can easily share your QR code with friends or even through social media platforms. Whether you send it via text or post it online, your QR code will help others find and connect with you on Roblox. And that's it. Now you know how to share your Roblox QR code. It's quick, easy, and a fantastic way to stay connected with your friends in the game. Happy gaming, everyone!